Howdy heretics, and welcome to goat farming with Prince Charming. And I just want to show you how to build a hay feeder from an IBC tote or IBC container, we say in Europe. Because most people I know that start with goats, they start with the grid from this and they fill it up with hay, and 50% of your hay ends up on the ground, and also the goats get stuck with their head inside. And at least here in Norway that's illegal. The law says that all equipment for animals should be made in such a way that they cannot get stuck, and that's common sense and also good animal protection. So I did this, and you see I made this hole here is 5 inches 12 centimeters, and a bigger hole here. Then they can put their head through and they go down like this, so that's only one can be feeding at a time. And there's 1, 2, 3 on each side, and according to Norwegian standard, best standard in the world. Now, but we have a general rule that 4 animals need minimum 1 feeding place, so all of them can feed. So if you give them food so they can go and eat whenever they want, when they please, then the rule is 4 animals per feeding place. So this is 6, which means 6 times 4 means 24. So you would only need 4 IBC tanks to feed 100 animals, and that's not too much. And then just put it here close to the fence so we can throw the food over. So let's see how it's working. Shepherding your flock is actually a real thing. You see the guy behind me? He got stuck in the fence. You have to check them every day, walk around listening to them and listening to their needs. So unlike this, I can just throw over the fence and they can be eating 6 at a time, and there's very little pushing and shoving, and there is almost no food waste. So I could easily put 1, 2, 3, 4, and I would have enough feeding station for 100 animals. That's really good. And the rest of material you can use for roofing. So please subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of good ideas. So I hope you like this video, and see you in paradise.